Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Mariel Binaro, 44 years old with 2 kids, 15 years old and 5 years old. I worked in Hong Kong last April 2021 to March 2023. My main duties to them is taking care of their 6 months old baby boy. Every morning when he walks up, I change his diaper, make it sure also it's clean, and I feed him. I also teaching him to some nursery songs. I played also with him. I do the bathing and some light exercise to make his bone and muscles strong. During his nap time, I do the household chores like cleaning, washing, laundry, ironing, and cooking. I have also experience in marketing and car washing. To improve my skills, I enrolled in caregiving course for 6 months that tackles the child care and elderly care. I'm a hardworking person, flexible, attention to details, willingness to work, willingness to learn, and I'm responsible. If you give me a chance to work with you, to your family, I'll do my best to serve you. Thank you.